Hi, I'm Kim Menkhorst, luxury real estate agent with Premiere Plus Realty, and today I'm going to answer the question, should I wait to buy in this market? So when is really the best time to buy a house? Here's the truth. Whenever the heck you want to. There is no picture-perfect time to buy a house. Yes, competition is fierce these days, but if your income is stable, you have a healthy savings, and you're ready to put down some roots, now may be the ideal time to snatch up your little corner of the world. Of course, if you're working on paying down debt or building up your savings, it might be better to sit tight and wait. Experts are saying that mortgage rates are going to stay low for the foreseeable future, and that might give time for supply to actually rebound just a little bit. But if you've been dying to become a homeowner or make a move, it's as great a time as ever to buy a house. If you're buying and selling, yes, you're buying high, but you're also selling high too. And with mortgage rates so low, you can actually get more home for your money. So if you have any questions about whether now is the right time for you and your family to buy, I would love to chat. I'm here to listen and serve you whether you decide now is the right time or not. Please like and subscribe to my channel,